Hello student, today we'll discuss on the topic of BCD adder. So BCD stand for binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. See now, in BCD adder, when the sum of two digit is less than or equal to 9, then the ordinary 4-bit adder can be used. But if the sum of two digits is greater than 9, then a correction must be added. That is adding 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0 is nothing but your decimal. If you convert their number, then its value is 6. So whenever the sum is more than 9 in that time, that is invalid BCD we can call it as, and in that number you have to add the 6. After adding the 6, that will be converted into the invalid BCD to valid BCD. We need to design a circuit that is capable of doing the correct addition. We need to design a circuit that is capable of doing the correct addition. So see, so the cases where the sum of two 4-digit is greater than 9 are in the given below table. See, these are the one sum. Here is the 10, 11, like these are up to the 18s are examples are given. Now see the BCD adder. Whenever S4 is 1 means sum greater than 15. Whenever S3 is 1, either S2 or S1 both are 1, the sum is 10 to 15. And the previous table can be expressed as x equal to S4 plus S3 in bracket S2 plus S1. See the previous table, we'll see S4, it is 1 in that time more than 15, right? And S3 whenever more than 10 onwards, right? Now see, these are the diagram, very interesting. Inputs value are 0, 1, 0, 1. B is 0, 0, 1, 1. See, here is the 0, 0, 1, 1. It's called as B word and it is called as A word. IC we are using the 74SC 283. Now what will be happen? Carry from the lower position, initially it is 0, right? C0 is 0 and this one. So after adding means 1 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1 sum is 0, carry will be generated. Okay, that 1 plus 1 again 0 with addition with 0. 1 plus 1 sum is 0, we can mark here 0, right? Carry is 1, this carry 1, okay, plus this one is what? 0, sum is 0, that sum 0 plus 0 again 0 and carry generated 0, right? Then that next carry means it is 1 plus 0, 1, this 1 plus 1 again 0 and that carry generated, that 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 0 it is 1. So finally we got 1, 0, 0, 0 means S0 is 0, S1 is 0, S2 is 0 and S3 is equal to 1. After summation of 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 1, okay, and then we'll see there is no carry will be generated. So default, then in that case the CS4 is equal to 0. Now we realize that this one 0, 0, 0, 1, okay, that we can connect it as the input for the next IC, and again all zeros, this A is all zeros, we are here connected, okay, and correction adder C0 is equal to 0. Then what will be happen? Again addition of these two are the same, addition of is the same. So after the S1 and S2, S1 and S2, S1 and S2 OR operation again 0. This 2 AND operation again it is 0. XOR operation again 0. So it will provide to the 0. That's why we can say this all are 0. All are 0 by referring this diagram. Then after doing the final summation is 1 0 0 0. Okay, so in this way we have to do the addition of the. Now we'll take the another example of 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 and carries it. Again the same procedure we can follow. Try to do the addition. These are the answer is also given, what will be happen and how the answer finally will got. Okay, so in the BCD adder, so main important thing is what, whenever the summation of the two numbers BCD number, if it is more than 9, in that case we require to add the 6. Okay, and after adding the 6, that will be convert invalid BCD to valid BCD. If the sum is less than 9, then there is no need to add the 6. Okay, in this way we can work and we can execute the BCD adder. This is very important, as well as the concept are very interesting. Binary coded decimal number. Okay, thank you.